Dear students, welcome to my course Basic Electrical Engineering Lab. This lecture will contain introduction and list of experiments of this lab course. Let's begin with the introduction. What do you think? What to learn from this course? You will be able to learn the identification of different components such as resistor, capacitor and inductors, etc. Of course, you cannot work in the lab until and unless you are not able to identify the components of the laboratory. You will be able to use digital multimeter. You will be able to measure values of current, voltage and resistors. You will be able to experimentally verify different concepts such as equivalent resistance, Ohm's law, current and voltage divider rules, Kirchhoff's law, superposition theorem, and many more. Here we are going to mention the list of experiments that will be covered in this lab course. The first lab is introduction to the lab equipment and its components. Second is color coding of resistors. Third lab is analysis of series and parallel combination of resistor. Fourth is complex combination of resistor, that is either series parallel or parallel series. After that, verification of current divider rule, verification of voltage divider rule, verification of Ohm's law, implementation and verification of Kirchhoff's law. The list of experiments continues to study and verification of mesh analysis, implementation and verification of Kirchhoff's current law, study and verification of nodal analysis, analysis of Thevenin theorem, analysis of Norton theorem, analysis of superposition theorem, study and analysis of Millman's theorem, and at the end, study and analysis of maximum power transfer theorem. Now the question arises that how will simulations be performed? There are numerous software that may be used for simulation. For example, PSpice, Proteus, CircuitLab, Circuit Today, PartSim, etc. However, we will be using Fallstat to simulate all the circuit of this lab. Fallstat is an online circuit simulating tool which has an easy interface, and both AC and DC circuit can be simulated through it. As in this lab we will only use DC circuits, therefore Fallstat will be the best choice. Good luck with the learning. Thank you for joining me today for this lab session. See you in the next lecture.